Episode 1. The new girl next door changed my life.
Who is moving here? I am David.
I'm Emily.
I'm David, your new neighbor. Do you want to play handball? Wow, you draw really well. You can make new friends.
I miss my old friends. This is fun.
You should join.
Thank you for believing in me.
Friends always help each other.
Episode 2. I found a lost phone and everything changed.
What is this? Hello. That phone is very important. I'll find you. I hope I can find her. Which street is this? You look lost.
Go straight and turn left.
This is the house.
Is this your phone?
Thank you so much. It has my husband's messages.
They are precious memories.
Please stay for tea.
You can visit anytime.
These memories are precious.
You're like my granddaughter.
Sometimes strangers become family.
Episode 4. We missed the bus and had an unexpected adventure.
Jack, wake up. We are late.
Oh no, we are late.
This is the worst morning ever.
We can still catch it.
Wait. What should we do? We can walk to school. I know a shortcut.
I don't think this is the right way.
Do you boys like music? Music makes every day better. Music makes every day better.
That smells amazing. That smells amazing.
You boys look hungry. You, boys, look hungry. These are for you. These are for you.
This is the best croissant I've ever eaten. This N is the best croissant I've ever eaten.
If you follow that street, you'll find a wonderful little museum. If you follow that street, you'll find a wonderful little museum.
Wow. I've never seen this place before. Wow. I've never seen this place before.
Welcome. Would you like a short tour? Welcome. Would you like a short tour? This train connected our town to the capital 100 years ago. This train connected our town to the capital 100 years ago.
At least they didn't have school buses. At least they didn't have school buses. Oh no, we really have to go now.
Let's help him.
Thank you, boys. You are very kind. If you take this path, you'll reach the school in 10 minutes.
I can see the school. We're going to make it.
We're not late.
What happened to you two?
It's a very long story.
Life is full of surprises.
Missing the bus was the best thing ever.
Episode 4. My grandma started using the internet.
Grandma, I have a surprise for you. Is this really for me? There are too many buttons. Oh, it's alive. My fingers are too slow. What should my email address be? Oh dear. I already forgot my password. Why are these faces yellow? That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Mary, you have to come and see these cats.
Can they really see me? Grandma, move back a little. Hi, Grandma. We missed you. Hello, everyone. Can you see me? Grandma, the camera is still on.
Wow, it's like a giant store inside my computer. This cake looks delicious. Why does this button keep moving? I did it. I'm becoming a computer expert.
Grandma, you ordered 10 cakes.
I only ordered 1 cake.
We could open our own bakery.
Please take 1. This is the sweetest mistake ever.
Am I famous now?
3,000 people know me. Today I will be your teacher. Say cheese.
Grandma, you're an internet star now.
I'm never too old to learn something new.